All right, on to installing the lash adjusters, cams, and then I guess today I'm gonna roll into throwing the timing material on there. As you can see, I've already put the lash adjusters in, soaked these in oil for 24 hours, so that way they got full of oil. Each one of them is nice and pumped up. Straightforward. Don't really know what else to say about that. Soak them in oil, toss them in. That's it. I'm gonna drop these cams in here. They are directional. These are stock 2003 Cobra cams. They do both all four of them have a different part number on them, and I don't remember which one's which, so I had to look it up. But I went ahead and labeled them: right intake, right exhaust; left intake, left exhaust. I've already thrown those ones in there. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this side in here. First things first, I'm gonna get some semi lube and put it on all these surfaces. Good old Ultra Slick. With these front ones, you gotta do, this is the thrust surface for the cam. It rides the front and back as well as the journal, so make sure you lube up all sides of this one. And when you put the top on as well, the cam caps, make sure you do the same on those. I have this one labeled intake, right intake. Let's see, I'll read the part number off for you. If I can find anything, it's so hard to see. There we go. It is YL7E6A 270-AB. All right, I'm gonna grab the next one. This one is right exhaust. It is labeled YF3E6A272AB. All right, so one thing to note if you get these mixed up, the big hole goes on the bottom. What I heard before is that these big release were so you can get to the head bolts, but the top ones also have it, and that doesn't make any sense, but they're much smaller. Big holes go on the bottom, and if you get your bolts mixed up, the shiny ones, there's a dark one and a shiny one. Shiny ones are shorter. The shorter ones always go to the bottom row. They're all the same size across, but bottom are shorter. Oh, I fucked up. I didn't put any lube on these. Silly me. We want to lube these bad boys up too. Remember, this one has a thrust surface too, so you're going to want to get front and back of it. Now put it on. Like I said, these ones also have a relief, but it's much smaller. The relief goes upward. I don't know if you can install it the other way. Yeah, it doesn't even fit the other way. Something over here. I'm going to run these all in hand tight, and then the torque specs on these are 90 inch-pounds. You have to do a kind of a crisscross pattern. Well, not crisscross, it's like a back and forth. Left side, right side, left side, right side, top, bottom. Even though you don't have to, I like to do it in 2 stages. I like to do 50 on everything first and then hit it at 90. Not necessary though. And this one with the 3 bolts, you do the 3rd one last. You go in the same order that you would with every one. I wanted to hit the 3rd one last. final pass 90. And check to see if, make sure nothing's bound up. I like to put one of the pulleys on there, the sprockets on it. Makes it a little bit easier to turn over with. Get the sprocket on there. A little bit of drag, nothing crazy. And another one. Where the fuck? Oh, it's over here, that's why. A little bit of drag. That was